Welcome to another video of Modern English School. Last 5-6 days continuously we discussed about various lessons in English grammar. Obviously students, you are also tired. That's why today the class will be very simple so that your tiredness will be recovered. Today I will give you 17 questions on English alphabet. So you can see it is a kind of joke quiz. So this question you don't take it all seriously. Some questions are there which has literally meaning and some are joke quiz. So let's start. What are the question I am giving you? In this class you will get the question only. Next class I will give you the answer. In the meantime, who can give the complete answer correctly, I will announce their name in the next video. Let's start. चले शुरू करते हैं आज का क्लास. The first question: which English letter is the best according to you and why? This question answer may be different for different persons. I mean, whatever your answer, दूसरा किसी का आंसर उससे अलग भी हो सकता है. सबके लिए एक नहीं भी हो सकता है, सेम भी हो सकता है. It's depends upon your answers. So think which is the best letter in English alphabet according to you. Second question: which English letter will be always capital when used all alone? Such as A, we can write it capital letter as well as small letter. If first letter, then capital. If in the middle, then small letter. But two letters, when it used all alone, then always it will be capital letter. Only 2 out of 26 letters. Question number 3: which English letter never feels hot? This question number 1 and question number 2, it is serious question, but question number 3, ये तो हो नहीं सकता एक इंग्लिश लेटर जो नॉन लिविंग है वो हॉट फील करेगा, कोल्ड फील करेगा, ऐसा तो होता नहीं. लेकिन एक जो क्विज है, you have to think in a bit different way. Which English letter never feels hot? So if you read English alphabet A, B, C, D, then you can understand here. Fourth question: which English letter used the most in writing? This is also serious question. Out of 26 letters, which letter used the most? Whenever you write, which English letter used the most? सबसे ज़्यादा लिखा जाता है. Same way, number 5, which English letter used the least? सबसे कम लिखा जाता है कौन सा English letter? These are serious question. Number 6, which English word used the most in writing? In English, many words are there, such as I am telling you, off, in, on, the, few. So out of these, which one used the most? सबसे ज्यादा लिखा जाता है जब हम लोग लिखते हैं. Question number 7: what is the name of the dot above small letter I and small letter J called? जो जब हम लोग स्मॉल लेटर का I, J लिखते हैं, इसके ऊपर एक डॉट आता है कि नहीं स्टूडेंट? तो जो डॉट है, ये डॉट को क्या कहलाता है? What is the dot called used on I and J in lowercase or small letters? So question number 8, student, if you do not understand, you pause there and see again. Then you will understand the question. Okay, question number 8: which English letter is an insect? This one also joke quiz. You will think it a bit different way. Many insects are there around us. So the pronunciation of the English letter and the pronunciation of that insect almost all same. So which is that English letter? Question number 9. Which English letter is a large water body? Which is the large water body called? हम लोग तो ये जानते हैं. तो इंग्लिश में एक लेटर है जिसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन उसका लगभग सेम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Which two English alphabet have almost all same pronunciation? You have to think it a different way. Pronunciation, two English alphabet pronunciation लगभग सेम है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Which English alphabet is a vegetable? एक वेजिटेबल जैसे प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Which English alphabet are very ill all the time? Here more than one. Here English alphabet will be more than one. जो हमेशा ill रहता है. Now you may think non-living thing क्या ill होगा? Actually जो quiz you have to think it another way. Now question number 13. Which English alphabet is a body part of human being भी हो सकता है, दूसरा कोई जानवर भी हो सकता है. बॉडी पार्ट का नेम का बराबर है एक इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट. नंबर 14. Which English alphabet is a hot drinks? कौन सा इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट है जिसको प्रोनाउंसिएशन एक हॉट ड्रिंक का प्रोनाउंसिएशन का बराबर है? स्टूडेंट, you have seen up to question number 14. Now go for question number 15. Which English alphabet do not come a single time if you write 1 to 99 in words? Such as if you write 1, O is coming, N is coming, E is coming. If you write 2, T is coming, W is coming, O is coming. In that way, if you write 1 to 99 in words, which letters will not come? यहाँ आंसर एक से ज्यादा होगा. Got my point, I hope. Question number 16. Which English alphabet never use in double in a word? Such as we know B can be used double, O can be used double. Like that way, some English alphabets are there, they never use in double. Which alphabet? And last question, or question number 16, last but not the least, which English alphabet always asks question? So it is also called a dangerous alphabet because all the time asking question. So these are the 17 questions. Student, you think and write the answer in comment box. Who will give the correct answer, his or her name will be announced in next video. That's all about today's class. मिलते हैं next video में.